Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman and Abdul Rahman Araj both state that Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, two men revealed each other. One of them was a Muslim, whereas the other was a Jew. The Muslim said, by him who singled out Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. from all the worlds. The Jew thereupon said, by him who singled out Hazrat Moosa alayhi from all over the world. The reporter says, the Muslim whereupon got infuriated and she slapped the Jew on his face. That Jew presented himself before the Prophet ﷺ and narrated all what happened between him and the Muslim. Allah's Apostle ﷺ whereupon said, don't give me superiority over Hazrat Moosa alayhi, for when the people will soon on the day of resurrection, I will recover first to see Hazrat Moosa alayhi holding the leg of the throne. I don't know by conjecture whether he is of those people who will faint and will recover before me, or Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will have exempted him from that zone. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6517.